Hey, it's Mike with Serr.biz, search engine ranking rules, SERR.biz. And today we're going to finish up what is SEO code with the last bit of important code that you need to know about to make sure that you have on your website. And that is in XML Sitemap. Let's take a look at what that is. Okay. So an XML sitemap is a little bit of specialized code that is basically just an index of all the pages on your website that you want the search engines to find. The way you tell if you have an XML sitemap is to use the industry standard, which is sitemap, which we can see right up here. We type sitemap.xml. You should get a page that looks something like this. In the Serr.biz case, we use a component, a tool, Joomla, to generate the sitemap for us. And this is the end result over on the WordPress site that we operate. This is a more traditional looking version of an XML sitemap. And you can tell it's pretty geeky. When you see this, it's not so useful from a standard human using point of view, but Google really likes it. Now, once you have a sitemap for your website, and most content management systems will have it created automatically like WordPress over here did, or there's a component you can get or a plugin that will generate it for you. If you don't have a CMS and you're just on static HTML web pages, there's a number of free tools out there that will crawl your site and generate an XML formatted sitemap. Now, once you have your sitemap, what you need to do is go over to Google Search Console. That's an important phrase that you should know. Google Search Console. It's not just a phrase, it's a platform, it's a tool. And what the Google Search Console does is lets you submit your sitemap to Google, which tells Googlebot to come read your site and find all your pages and index it and get you found and seen in Google search results. We're going to do a whole tutorial on Google Search Console at some point. But for now, in this context, once you have your sitemap created and you know it exists, you go to Google Search Console, you go to sitemaps down here, and then you just add sitemap.xml to the space right here, then hit submit. Once you've submitted it, let me move myself out of the way. Once you've submitted it, you will see that status right here. It was either successful or not, and it'll tell you how many discovered URLs there were. And then deeper in the Search Console, you'll get all sorts of other information about search volume, positioning, which pages are showing up, how many clicks you got. Search Console is also awesome because it'll help you debug your site and make sure it's responsive, mobile friendly, etc. So that is what an XML sitemap is. If you don't have one, get one and be sure to submit it to Google Search Console. Tip, you can also use the same sitemap to submit to Bing if you like, which I recommend. Okay, that's the end of the first C of CCB, which was code, SEO code. And the sitemap is the last thing you need to know about as a local business owner. Next up, we're going to talk about the second C, which is content, SEO content. What is that? That's the next video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. We'll answer as soon as possible. If you have a specific topic you'd like us to talk about, please leave that in a comment below as well. Thanks for watching. My name is Mike with Serr.biz, Search Engine Ranking Rules.